Hello and welcome back to the Code Shop channel. In today's video, we're exploring a handy new feature introduced in Odoo 18.2, Portal User Address Management. Until now, portal users were limited to just one address. But with this update, they can now manage multiple delivery and billing addresses directly from the portal, making the checkout and order process far more flexible. Let's log in as a portal user and take a closer look.
Once logged in, head over to the Addresses menu. Here you'll find two sections, one for your delivery address and another for your billing address. If both addresses are the same, you can simply toggle the same as delivery address switch. This will automatically hide the extra section. Keep things clean and simple. But if you want to use separate addresses, for example, shipping to one location and billing to another, you can manage them independently. Each card on the screen displays a saved address. You'll also notice a small icon, which shows what kind of address it is, like your account address, delivery address, or billing address. You can edit any existing address by clicking the Edit button, or remove it if it's no longer needed. This gives portal user complete control over their saved information. Now when you're editing your account address, you can also set your billing preferences, such as whether you would like to receive invoices by email or by post, and choose your preferred electronic format. To add a new address, click the Add Address card. You'll be taken to a form where you can enter all the key details, like name, email, phone number, street, city, zip code, country, and more. Once you filled everything out, just click Save Address. And that's it, the new address will instantly appear on your list. As you can see, it's simple and user-friendly experience. Portal users can now manage all their shipping and billing information themselves, without having to re-enter the details for every single order. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Odoo tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.